This is my PHP motors design and code. So right here we have the folder for the PHP. Here is the template that has the PHP going. This has the snippet folder that is right here with the footer, header, and navigation. This template also includes the PHP motors home file right here with all that content. It also does include those images that are there, and it does reference to it. Here is all the HTML that is right there. It did pass that check. I do have that it did pass the CSC as well. This is the web page. As you can see, it does enlarge and does shrink down into that single row or single column right there. And if we look here, it does shrink down to there and goes to the SE and goes from there. And yeah, and so from there was the wave as well. It does have contrast errors, but it does have structural elements, the features, and yeah. And then from there as well, the only question I had was going to be, does the end from the template, since it does put it right here, how would I put or is it supposed to come back onto the HTML right here and generate, even though it does it in the file, when you do open it up in the browser, like right here? Or is that something where we just leave it and it's just in the file and the template with the snippets and the home page? But that's the only question I had. Thank you so much.